In this video we are going to see WAGO DC to DC converter connector technical datas. Welcome to Controls and Systems YouTube channel. This connector is used to convert 24-volt DC to 10-volt DC. Material data: connector color is gray, fire load is 0.48 megajoules, signaling is 1 LED, mounting type is DIN 35 rail. The ambient temperature during operation is -25 to +55 degrees Celsius. Weight is 30.8 grams. Dimension: height 91 mm, width 6 mm, depth 91 mm. Height and depth from upper edge of DIN rail is 56 mm. Optional accessories: intermediate plate 1 mm thick and mini WSB inline, mini WSB marking card, fiber tip pen, operating tool and more. Connector data: connection technology is cage clamp, number of jumper slots is 2, WAGO connector is WAGO 859 series, solid and fine stranded conductor is 0.08 to 2.5 mm square, strip length is 5 to 6 mm. Electrical data: nominal input voltage is DC 24 volt. Input voltage range is DC 15 to 30 volt. Mains failure hold-up time is less than 0.5 milliseconds. Internal fuse is TVS diode. Efficiency is 85%. Safety and protection: protection class is 3. Protection type is IP20. Reverse voltage protection is available. Pollution degree is 2. Series operation is not possible. Output data: nominal output voltage is DC 10 volt. Output voltage range is A ±2%. Output current is 0.5 amps. Operating voltage feed-through is less than 0.5%. Load regulation is less than 0.7%. Residual ripple is less than 20 mV. Switching frequency is 20 kHz. Overload behavior is temporary, no damage. Note: short circuit of the output for 1 minute. Approvals and certificates: conformity marking is CE, EAC, UL, country of origin is US. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.